Hey, what's up guys, this is everybody from 𝐒𝐤𝐤𝐞, and in this video I will show you how you can connect any free Wi-Fi networks on your iPhone. You won't need any permission, just tap on any free Wi-Fi and connect them. This is not for only iPhones, but also you can do that with Android too. You will need an app, just install that from Play Store and you can use it from Android phones also. Also, to stay up to date with iPhone latest features and updates, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so you don't miss any updates from us in the future, and it will also help our channel to grow. So the name of the app is InstaBridge. Download it from App Store, it's free. Once you have downloaded the app, just open it and you can see here hundreds of different Wi-Fi networks in any area. So you can tap on any one and some will even show the uploading and the downloading speed also. So just tap here and you will get the Wi-Fi name and password, and you can even share it with others also. And here you can filter the Wi-Fi networks on connectivity, speed and venue. Not only your area Wi-Fi but also anywhere in the world. If you just go to another country, you will get like hundreds of different free Wi-Fi networks. Just tap on any free Wi-Fi and you will get the passcode and connect to any Wi-Fi for free without knowing the passcode or without having to ask anyone for Wi-Fi passcode. Also, you can add Wi-Fi networks. So if you want to add your Wi-Fi or any other Wi-Fi that you are connected to, so other people can also connect to that network, you can make it public or private, that is invite only. So that's how you can connect to any Wi-Fi for free from your iPhones with the help of this app. It's very useful for a lot of people. So let me know in the comments what are your thoughts. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys liked the video. Also subscribe to the channel for more such videos. And now I will see you on the next one. Peace.